Buongiorno, grazie mille for this opportunity to present once more to the Italian society. I'm very fortunate and lucky, in fact, that I participated in some of the early meetings of this society, including Syracuse, as you can see here, in 2001. Of course, I was also in Rome, Torino, etc. I want to particularly thank Piero Tesauro for his dedication in this field, offering education, education, education. Now, my topic of the day is DHI versus FUE versus FUT. But let me take 1 minute to mention that before the FUT, that you all know, the strip surgery, it was the punch grafts in the early or late 60s. Then we moved on to FUT and then to FUE. There's not much I can explain to you about FUE, but what is different between DHI and FUE? DHI means direct hair implantation. Hairs are extracted, placed on the implanter, and placed on the right depth, direction, and it's an excellent way to also organize the distribution. The results are implemented to the way we place the hairs. As you can see here, direct hair implantation, the doctors have complete control. And these are the results, natural each and every time. And here is another technique, DHI direct in, which for small sessions that hairs are extracted, follicles, and placed immediately after extraction. So there is no much time outside of the body. And this is a technique that we use for smaller sessions. That's why we call it the direct in. And to finalize, we will go now to the academy, again to the let's see a result. Short video.
That was me 17 months ago. Look at me now.
And that was a typical result of a DHI direct method. And it comes down to, again, to the purpose of this meeting, this education. At the DHI Global, we have initiated a London Hair Restoration Academy in association with public universities like the Athens University and the Lyon University. And we offer online, virtual reality, and of course, hands-on training throughout the year for doctors and healthcare professionals. In fact, we're also introducing a new course, it's called the Hair Biology course, that's also going to be available both online and hands-on. So I think that was a short, let's say, small presentation. Thank you again, grazie mille. And I hope you can join us at our master's meeting on July 2nd in Cape Sunio in Athens. Thank you very much. Grazie mille.